Do you ever find yourself squinting at your computer screen trying to read tiny text? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into how you can easily adjust the text size on your Windows PC or Mac laptop to make everything clearer and more comfortable to read. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a more enjoyable computing experience. Whether you need a slight adjustment or a major font boost, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step instructions for both Windows and Mac OS. We'll cover everything from changing individual text sizes to making your entire display scale up. In this tutorial, you'll learn, for Windows users, Windows 11 and 10, how to independently increase just the text size without affecting icons or apps, making everything on your screen larger, text, applications, and other elements. A quick trick using the magnifier for on-the-fly zooming. For Mac users, adjusting your display scaling for an overall larger view, increasing text size without changing your screen's resolution, tips for boosting font sizes in specific apps like Safari, Mail, and Finder. Don't struggle with small fonts anymore. Watch now and discover how to customize your screen for optimal readability. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other display tips.